everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss with a new data type, that is list, which is of sequential type. See, in Python, we have sequence data type, which consists of string, list, and tuple. And in this video, we are going to start with your list topic. When we are talking about the list are basically what? It is a kind of data structures where we can easily store and manage different types of data, right? So in other words, we can say that it is a collection of values of any type. That it can be integer, it can be string, or it can even be a list, right? So we can say it is of heterogeneous type. Second property says that list is dynamic in nature. Dynamic in nature means what? That we can easily add or remove the elements in the list. We can increase the size of the list, or we can remove the element from the list and reduce the size of the list. Third property says that list is mutable. List is mutable in nature means what? We can do the changes in the values of the list in place, which means what? It will not create a new list. It will do the changes in the same list in the same memory location. In Python, list can be defined by using or by enclosing all the values of a list in square bracket, where all the individual elements, or we can say value of the list, are separated by commas as shown in the example. If you just want to define a list but do not want to define the values in the list, which means what? If you just want to declare an empty list, we can define an empty list by enclosing the square bracket without any values. Let's see practically how we can perform this. So suppose if you require to create an empty list, we can define by first defining the variable name and empty square bracket. Here I have not defined any values in the square bracket. So when I give a print statement, then it just create a list without any. So you can see that list is created, an empty list is created. If you want to define a list with more values, like suppose if you want to define a list with values with only integers value, so all the values are separated by comma and enclosed square bracket. So if I print this value, it will print 1 2 3 4, right? And if you want to see the type of value this L1 consists, then we can check by using type function. So it will tell you the type of value this L1 hold. So you can see the first L consists no element, so it is defined empty list. In the next one, in L1, we have defined 4 values, that is of integer type. So the values are displayed in the form of list. In the next print statement, I have asked that what kind of values are stored in L1. So it is defined that the value is of list type, right?